Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys! Words which have same spelling but different meaning. Kind. Being kind means treating people in a nice way. Example, he is kind. Kind also means a group of things that are like each other in same way. Example, rose and tulips are two kinds of flowers. Can. When you can do something, it means you are able to do it. Example, you can swim. A can is a metal or plastic container used to hold food, paint and other things until we are ready to use them. Example, I stored the water in the can. Capital. A capital is a very important city in a country or state. Example, Delhi is the capital of India. Amount of money used to start a business or put in a bank. Example, when she had enough capital, she bought a shop. Car. A car is a machine that people drive or ride in. Example, he has a car. A car is also a part of a train. Example, cars on a train are attached and moved together. Bat. A bat is a long stick that is wired at one end. Example, bats are made up of wood, metal, plastic and are used in baseball to hit the ball. A bat is also an animal with wings. Bat sleeps upside down and often live in caves. Right. The right side of something is the opposite of the left side. Example, in the US, we drive on the right side of the road. Right also means that something is as it should be. Example, something that is right is correct. Bow. To bend your head as a sign of respect. Example, the audience clapped and the actors stand together in a line and bowed. The front part of the ship. Example, the bow of a ship is very huge. Drop. A drop is a tiny amount of liquid. Example, we saw drops of water on the flowers. To drop means to move from some place higher to some place lower. Example, he dropped the box. Fat. Fat means weighing a lot for a person's or animal's size. Example, he is fat. Fat is also a kind of oil that is found in plants and meats and in things made from milk. Example, we buy cheese without fat for grandpa.
Everything is not enough.
Order. Order means everything is in the right place. Example, he arranged the books in an order. To order is to tell someone to do something. Example, he ordered everyone to leave the building. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.